You get it?
Yeah.
Keep going.
Yeah.
Professional photo shoot.
This thing is so cool. Yeah.
Is it working?
Yeah. Dispara. Dispara. Oh, now I get it why it's backwards. Because it goes that way.
Yeah, it looks like it's going that way, right? You taking some good photos?
Yeah. Dispara. Yeah. Dispara.
Uh oh, you broke it.
Oh, what?
Wind it a little bit more. Just a little bit.
There.
Don't force it though.